Linking a bank account on Splitit is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Splitit account. Visit the Splitit website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Payment Settings or Bank Account to begin the linking process. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Payment Settings section, find the option to link a new bank account. Click on Link Bank Account to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save or Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account on Splitit and enjoy a seamless payment experience.